small engine painting green from somewhere far away. I don't know where because I suck at geography. Percy is coming to the island of Sodor, and this, the island of Sodor, being his new home. The first engine he made was Thomas. He has a dome, a funnel, and some wheels. I don't know how many wheels, because I suck at math. But they're blue, that's all I can tell you. Hello, my name is Yarrow, said Thomas. Hello, Yarrow, chuffed Percy. My name is Percy. Asian names are funny indeed. Dumb. I tricked you. My name isn't Yarrow, it's Thomas. Percy felt dumbfounded. Oh well, so I heard there's a Sir Topham Hatt I need to talk to. Oh, you mean the fat controller, chuffed Thomas. He hates being called Sir Topham Hatt. Just a little bit of advice I should give you. Oh, I'm supposed to see him to know my job. You know where he is? Thomas had an idea. I talked to him earlier, and he told me if I see you, that you should help me pull this train to the top station. Okay, said Percy. But he was not aware that he had fallen for one of Thomas the Tank Engine's old, wise, smart tricks. Soon, Thomas and Percy were working slowly. Thomas pulling and Percy pushing. Push harder, said Thomas. You pull stronger, urged Percy. You can do better than that, Percy. It's too hard, Thomas. Finally, they made it to the top station. The fat controller was at the station. Good job, Thomas. You broke your own record. How about how quickly you made it here, said the controller. Thanks, sir, Thomas. And I didn't even break a sweat, or do anything at all. Percy was furious. And doing all the work, switched lanes and came next to Thomas. You mean I pushed and did all the work and you didn't do anything? Yep, pretty much, Thomas replied. Well, Percy, you're late, said the fat controller. But I thought my job was to help Thomas. He stopped for a moment and said, or do all the work for myself. Thomas felt cheeky. I'm sorry, Mr. Controller, said Percy. Who told you to call me that? Asked the controller. Thomas, replied Percy. Well, it's been fun, y'all, but I gotta run to the sheds. And with a hurry, Thomas left the... I'm sorry, sir, said Percy. I didn't know I should have done that. It's okay, Percy. Thomas is always being cheeky. Now, come here tomorrow and I'll tell you your job going to get it. So go find Tidman's sheds and see if you can find a place to sleep. Yes, sir, said Percy, and he fled to find the Tidman's sheds. When he found the sheds, he saw that all the places in the shed had been taken up. Is there any space for me? Asked Percy with a sign of hope in his smoke box. Can't you count? Asked Gordon. The narrator can't. All the sheds are filled, said Gordon. Gordon was a big blue express engine in the middle of the sheds. Oh dear, said Percy. I guess I'll just sleep on this siding here. Percy was sad. He was cold too. His first night had been a disaster, but he hopes that he can be a good asset to his team on Sir Topham Hatt's fine grand railway.